Hello esteemed colleagues, in this tutorial video we'll explore how to use certificate matrix section. This section is being used to define which certificates are mandatory, recommended, or required by company for every rank. You can access it either from home page or from left side menu. Add necessary certificates and ranks using drop-down lists. Near every drop-down list there is a plus sign, which allows to add selected value to the matrix. After, for every added rank, you can define either this certificate is mandatory, recommended, or required by company. Of course, you can also leave it blank. Right-click on tile and select necessary status. By pressing Edit Certificate, you can edit currently selected certificate. You can change its name and default validity period in years. Also, you can add new certificate by pressing Add New Certificate button and enter the same values as for editing. After all necessary changes has been made, save the matrix. Now, after matrix is saved, notifications will be shown accordingly when required documents are going to expire or already expired, reminding to update them. Hope this information was helpful. Subscribe to stay tuned and thanks for watching.